at Gaylord Rockies. It is April of 2019. I can't remember what this room exactly called, but it's some sort of suite. There's a sink and refrigerator, coffee maker, ice, just down the hallway. A little bit of storage. Nice little seating area. There are 4 seats. This seat here is actually belongs in the bedroom. This does fold out. It's also fairly comfortable. Large television. I think it's probably a 70. Lots of storage underneath there as well as where the blankets are held. Another 70-inch television, roughly, maybe a 65. Nice place to sit down.
My boys are playing the basketball. Those boys are playing tennis.
Here's where their chair belongs. There's absolutely nothing in that box. I'm not sure what its purpose is. Normal safe. This is a 5-star hotel. You can steal the hangers and use them at home if you'd like. Dual vanity.